Now we will be discussing about a very interesting concept in pandas, pivot tables. Now when I say pivot tables, so when I say pivot, let me note down so that there should be no ambiguity. I'm talking about pivot table. So this pivot table, you can call it just like an alternative of your group by. Okay, just like you have a group by statement, so similarly you can do the same thing with your pivot table. So it is like an Excel like functionality. People who have worked on Excel sheets might have already kind of seen this pivot table concept there. So you can create your aggregate table by using that Excel kind of functionality. So let's see how to basically work on this. So let's say I have a DF2 data frame. Now I'm just gonna say pivot underscore table. So this is the same data frame which we are using from last time, DF2 data frame. So now pivot table, and what I'm going to do this time, I'm gonna define my values basically as temperature. I will explain you what is all this happening. So basically my value is temperature, and I am just telling that my index means on my x-axis have your event. So basically you can think of it like you are doing the group by operation based on event, and what is the operation you want to do on it, you can put it in an ag function, aggregate function. So now let's say you want to do a mean of it. So what you want to do, you want to do a mean of column temperature with respect to group by operation event. This is what this pivot table is going to help you do. So you can see here for rain, I have an average temperature of 32. For snow, I have an average temperature of 26. For sunny, I have an average temperature of 33. So same way, you can also kind of play with other values and kind of get your outputs. One more interesting thing which you can do with this, like you can also define df2 dot pivot underscore table, and now I just define my columns. I'm not saying anything about whether I want to do with respect to events or so. And notice what it's gonna do. I'm just gonna say temperature. So here what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to kind of give the basically kind of doing a group by based on my temperature. Look at this, what's the output will come. Okay, I think I did some typo here. Columns is equal to, okay, yeah, I have given this. Otherwise it will think that there should be a column name with space temperature. Now here you can see that I have done for temperature 24, I have basically false and 7 wind speed, like that. So it is giving for each temperature what all the values you have, it is returning you. So you can create a lot of smart values and kind of statements with this and get the output. At any moment for any of the panda data frame, if you want to see the help page for it, you can say help of pd dot data frame, because it's basically a data frame, is it's case sensitive dot, let's say you want to read about pivot table function. Okay, so you can, if you execute it, you can see that it's giving you a lot of details about this function. You can even see some examples which are being shown in your example page. So you can read from here and kind of get a lot of knowledge with respect to your panda data frame function. Thank you.